The electrician just left. And what happened, honey?
The power went out.
Immediately. He was right down the road. And the power went out. Immediately. What time is it? 10:50? We haven't accomplished nothing today.
I slept.
I'm happy for you.
I can continue watching walls without power, so.
I guess. I just find it ironic that the electrician just left and he was like, it'll work for now. He got down the block and then the entire house just turned off. It's like a sign. Yeah. We're off to a roaring start.